Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create an app without coding skills. With this method you can create apps for Android, iOS with zero coding skills, and also you can make money with the apps you created. And I will talk about monetizing your app at the end of the video, so please stick to the end. And if you find this video helpful, then please share it with your friends. Sharing is always free. It doesn't cost you anything. So with that being said, let's begin. Let's just get started with the app making process. We go to appipie.com and click on get started. Okay, so we write the name of the app. I'll write my first app. Okay, so it has given me the categories that are things that are most relevant to my the name of my app. So it just gave me according to what it thinks it should be. So I have the option to go for more categories, and there are tons of categories: insurance, law firm, contractor, author, fitness, travel. There are tons of options here. So let's just go with business. Okay, so go next. Okay, so here we have the design of the app. It is showing us that it wants it like that. Do you want it like that, like that? Do you want the options to be at the bottom, or so I'll select this one. There are tons of more layouts available which you can. Okay, this one is cool. Color list queue. Yeah, I'll just go with the bottom one. Okay, so now on this page you can configure the features that you want in your application. So there are these one that are already added to your app. As you can see here, about us, website, one touch, inquire, contact. So let's just remove this one, one touch. There is the delete button. Yes. And let's go on ahead and add something else. So we will add the social media feature. LinkedIn. Yeah, it's a bit professional. So we add the LinkedIn here. As you can see that there we have the LinkedIn button. So we will go on. Uh, okay, one more thing. We have the system pages. Login. You have to specify the login criteria to log in the page. Sign in, these options, many options here. Sign up now. You sign up page, what it shows on the sign up page, on the forgot password page, payment settings, and everything else. So there is the page style and color scheme. You can go on and customize that. It has tons of features, tons of options here. The color, background color, text color, and everything, even the indenting of the page of the elements. So let's just go and ahead and save and continue. Okay, so now you just have to sign up or log in. So I already have my Facebook ID. I'll go on that. It has logged into my Facebook. hmm Yeah, we're waiting on that. Okay, so it is showing some plans. Just waiting on it to show the free option. We stay on this page a little longer and it will show us the free option. Um, Yeah, it shows the free, you stay on this page long enough and it shows you the free plan. So we go on the start free plan now, and it is building the application both on Android and on iOS iPhones, Apple. So we just give it a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes maybe. Okay, so our Android app is complete and there is a QR code. We can scan that QR code through our mobile phones and we will be able to download the app, or we have the link below. Open it on your mobile device and it will open it. Install the application, and you can also receive the email. Type in your email address over here, or receive the link through the SMS by inputting your phone number over here. So let's just wait for the iOS app to be completed too. Okay, so same goes here for the iOS app. We have a link, a QR code, an option for an email, and an SMS option also. So the application have completed. We can download it on our mobile devices, and let's go ahead and examine the dashboard. So on dashboard, we have a lot of options. We can create a new app. We have account settings, domain settings, and my apps. The app that I just created is in there. So there is an editor option. You can change the feature of the app. You can test the application. You can There is a website option, email template. It's just like hosting, like web hosting for your application. So you can monetize your app, marketing, promotion. There are also options for SEO and analytics. So that was the tutorial for AppyPie. So guys, that is how you can create an app without coding. Now let me tell you how you can make money with your app. Well, there are a lot of ways to earn money from an app. The best way is inserting ads inside the app. And second one is selling apps on Fiverr. These days most of people on Fiverr are doing the same thing, so they make apps using these sites and sell them to the customers. If their customer face any problem, the seller simply forwards the problem to the support team of these sites. And there are more ways to monetize your apps. Just go on Google and search ways to monetize your app. You will find multiple ways to earn cash from your app. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can create an app without coding skills. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to like and share. Peace out.